Did you know there's one thing that can make a huge difference in your Vietnamese? Once you master it, your Vietnamese will instantly sound much more natural, even though you are just a beginner. That secret is the pronouns. Many learners know the words tôi, bạn as the Vietnamese equivalent of I, you. They are the most common pronouns you will see in Vietnamese textbook or lessons. There's nothing wrong to use tôi, bạn. However, if you always use tôi in every situation, your Vietnamese will sound stiff and unnatural, no matter how good your pronunciation or grammar is. Because native speakers don't often use tôi in daily conversations. In this video, we are talking about real Vietnamese, the way locals actually speak. I will show you the most common pronouns for everyday situations, how to use them naturally, and tips to master them faster. By the end of this video, you will take your Vietnamese to the next level by changing how you address others. In Vietnamese, we address each other based on age, gender, and relationship. That's why pronouns change depending on the person you are talking to. For everyday situation, you only need to remember the 10 common pronouns. To make them easier to remember, we will list them in pairs. Mình, bạn, em, anh chị, con, cô chú, con, ông bà. One quick note here, the word con is commonly used in Southern Vietnamese, while in the North, people often use the word cháu. Since I'm from the South, so this video will follow the Southern dialect. Now let's start with the first pair. Mình, bạn. Mình means I, bạn means you. These are one of the useful and easiest pronouns for beginners. Southern Vietnamese often address themselves as mình because the word mình sounds more friendly, warm, and softer, while the word tôi is too formal and can feel a bit distant, too cold. Mình and bạn are used when you talk to people of the same age, same generation, regardless of gender. You can also use them when you are not sure about that person's age. It's simple, safe, and neutral. Actually, in real life, there are more ways to address people of the same age. We will cover those at another time. In this video, let's focus on the basic ones, the beginner-friendly ones. Now let's move on to the other three pairs. Each pronoun has a specific meaning. Once you understand their meanings, using them becomes much more easier.
Em means younger sibling. Anh means older brother. Chị means older sister. Con literally means child. Chú means uncle. Cô means aunt. Ông means grandpa. Bà means grandma.
You can see all these pronouns come from family roles. Now, let's imagine that the whole society is a big family and you are part of it. Everyone you see on the street, every person you meet is your relative. Now you just need to assign them a suitable family roles based on their age and gender. This is how it works. When you talk to someone older than you,
if that person is around your older sibling age, or looks like they could be your older sibling, you can call that person anh, which means older brother for a man, or chị, which means older sister for a woman. Then address yourself as em. If that person appears to be around your parents' age or generation, use chú for a man or cô for a woman, and call yourself con. If that person is old enough to be your grandparent, use ông for a man and bà for a woman, and again call yourself con.
when you talk to someone younger than you, the role simply reverse.
For someone around your younger sibling's age, whether they are male or female, call them em and address yourself as anh if you are male, chị if you are female. For someone around your child, niece, nephew's age, call them con and address yourself as chú if you are male, cô if you are female. For someone around your grandchild's age, call them con and address yourself as ông if you are male, bà if you are female.
Now quick example. Let's say I know this boy is 20 years old and I'm 25. How do I introduce myself? Obviously based on his age. He could be my younger brother. So I will go with the pair chị, em because I'm female. Chào em, chị tên Phương, em tên gì? Another example. I want to ask this lady for directions. How do I ask her? So as we can see from the photo, she looks old enough to be my grandma. So I will go with the pair con, bà. Bà ơi, cho con hỏi quầy bán vé tàu Titanic ở đâu? In summary, the case is learn pronouns in pair. Then, based on the person's age or how old they appear, choose the pair that best describe your relationship. I hope you found this video helpful. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. And your support through LV, like, share, and subscribe really means a lot to me. And would love to see you around next time. Happy learning and bye for now.